You have to trust the timing, dear Cancer. And I say you have to because there are certain decisions you make in your life, and the timing of the follow through of those decisions sometimes are not necessarily in your hands, right? So this is where you've got to be really in tune with present moment, really in tune with your center, that calm space, to know, okay, this is a great decision I've made, and following through with this decision requires a little bit of time and space. So that would mean that certain actions around this decision require a little bit of time and space. Again, I feel like this is important for you to take in today, because you also have a great ability to make things happen. But that great ability can let you down when you're not tuned into the present moment, so that you can then respect the timing. There are certain goals that you have right now that just require timing from you. It doesn't mean you give up or you sit there and fold your arms and wait for things to happen. And I don't know that I need to even say that, because I feel like you already know this. What is most prominent in your forecast today is you have to respect the timing. Even when you tell yourself you're going to do something great, understand that that has its own timing as well. And so again, when you tune into the present moment, bringing your attention to feeling sensations in the here and now, your intuition will naturally guide you, and you'll know when to take the actions that are connected to decisions that just require a little bit of time from you.